We are Sharon and Joe. Welcome to our adventures. We spent the last year traveling across the country and documenting our experiences. Join us as we embark in a new series as we wade into the world of West Coast fisheries.
We will take you along as we learn how to fish, clam, and crab, and learn from our mistakes as we go. We'll even try some new recipes to bring out the flavor of our fresh catches. If fishing is not your thing, continue to join us each Sunday for our travel series.
We are here today at Copalis Beach, and we are going to try our hand at some razor clamming. We did this earlier in the year and we lost the footage. We had a great time and we got 2 limits last time. We're going to see if we can do this again. Low tide today is supposed to be around 6 o'clock, and that's optimum for a razor clam harvest. So we're going to give it a shot, see how it works out.
And this is only a short walk from our camper.
Yeah, we're here at 1000 Trails Campground in Oceana. And we are set up only steps from the beach. So it's going to be awesome.
We came here in the beginning of fall and there's nobody here. Look how many cars are here. Crazy. Where the heck did he go? He went down that far?
Those shrimp.
Is that what these are?
Yeah.
Him? Get him!
Sand shrimp.
What?
Sand shrimp. Never got them before. Supposedly they're excellent bait.
Saw him. He's in the bottom. The bottom. Or the top. Got him?
One limit. We don't surf.
I'm not doing it. I don't want to do it.
Sneak away. Yeah.
I don't like secret waves. I don't like them.
That was crazy.
The moon. Such a pretty night. We experienced our first sneaker wave. I mean, we were all the way out there by the edge. That's where we were. There was no waves, water coming up. It got us. I have one of my foot is wet. What about you?
No, I'm good so far.
And it's a little cold, so I don't know how long I'm gonna make it.
This is hard work.
Can't get it. One right in front of it too. Do you see that?
Yeah.
See it?
Yep, I see it.
Did he move?
Didn't get that one.
No.
Sometimes you get nothing. Oh, I heard that thing. Sometimes you can feel a little crunch, like when it touches their shell or glances off the shell. Oh, he's in there, I see him. He's in there, he's in there.
Oh,
Get him. I got him. There he is. Sometimes you gotta reach in and pull him out.
Oh my God.
We have a beautiful moon tonight. I gotta say, Copalis Beach is a beautiful place. There's so many people out here digging these razor clams, and they are prolific. So we're doing really well. I think we make it a 30 limit, which is 15 a piece. So see how it works out, guys. Stay tuned. There he is, look at that. Wow, that's a giant. I don't think I've seen one that big. What? That's the biggest one of the day right there.
It's not easy.
Into the bag he goes. Each person has to have their own container to keep your 15 clams per person. And you also have to retain the ones that are broken and small. So there's no waste. Makes sense. We did fairly well with the razor clams. We got 23 between the two of us, so 7 short of a limit for both. So I'm happy with that, and these are delicious. It's the next day, and we have 23 razor clams to clean, so I better get to work. Yep, nice and cold, ready to be cleaned. Some salt water to rinse. You don't want to rinse your clams in fresh water if you're going to store them for any amount of time. Fresh water breaks them down, so I rinse them in salt water. Sharon got some jumbos. Well, we both found a couple of nice ones, but these are nice size ones. Simple slit around the outside, both sides. Open up your clam. Pull it out. Take these adductor muscles. The only waste you have is this little piece of crapola. That's it. The rest of it's all edible. when you're done, you have this pile of guts. This stuff is crabbing gold. When you go Dungeness crabbing and you put this in your trap, you're gonna load up. We loved razor clamming on the Washington coast. Rules and regulations can be found on the WDFW website. Be sure to sign up for their email list to be notified of potential legal harvest dates and times. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next one.